आप सबका स्वागत है मस्ती की पाठशाला में। मैं हूँ पीडी रामकृष्णा, आपका सोशल साइंस टीचर। ओके, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल और बोलो की हालचाल। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे अच्छे होंगे। आई होप सो दैट यू आर लिविंग अ हेल्दी एंड prosperous life at your home, okay, and continuously preparing for your studies. Okay, all students are welcome. Okay, let's move on. This is a Masti Ki Pathshala, a platform created by the student for the initiative for student itself. Okay, I am here teaching to you so that you should not miss any kind of your studies. Okay, this class is going to be available stream on YouTube, and you will be going to watch it by downloading also. Okay, let's move on. We are taking these classes under the Government of India Digital Initiative, Power to Empower. हम डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव के अंडर ये काम कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन इज गोइंग ऑन, दैट इज नोन एज द फोर्थ रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, अंडर विच वी आर वर्किंग and we are providing you the online classes. Okay, this is also known as a e-learning. Okay, you are learning under the initiative of e-learning. Okay, and these classes are available for whether you are from a Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Navy Children's School, Army Public School, or any other private school. Okay, if you are a student, if you are interested in the studies, you are welcome here. Okay, on this platform. Basically, you must be opting for the CBSE board. ठीक है, CBSE board आपने लिया होना चाहिए, बस यही एक रिक्वायरमेंट है, and you are studying NCERT books. Okay, here I am just going to teach all of you the NCERT books which you are opted for the CBSE board. Okay, all the students, those who wanted to take a knowledge, okay, whether you are not from, even there are some students those who are not from the CBSE board, but they wanted to know more and more things, they are also opting to my program. Okay, let's move on. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Before moving to ahead, this is a Masti Ki Pathshala, general platform, free to hear. Okay, created by student itself. Okay, if you feel that it is a very creative initiative and very helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay, your suggestions are very valuable for me. Please provide your suggestions in comments. Okay, and if you are having some queries, please write down in the comments. Okay, let's move on. Today we are just going to deal with the chapter of your economics first chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. Okay, Palampur is village. Okay, it is not a similar village which is there near to the Delhi. न्यू दिल्ली के पास एक विलेज है, उसका भी नाम है पालम, बट ये वो विलेज नहीं है. ठीक है, नाम सिमिलर होने से जरूरी नहीं कि वही विलेज हो सकता है. इन योर बुक इट इज समथिंग इमेजिनरी विलेज पालमपुर. ओके, पालमपुर इट इज अ हाइपोथेटिकल विलेज. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द हाइपोथेटिकल? हाइपोथेटिकल से आपको क्या समझ में आता है? ठीक है, हाइपोथेटिकल मतलब ख्याली. ठीक है, और मे बी इमेजिनरी अ परफेक्ट विलेज. ओके, हाइपोथेटिकल विलेज, एक इमेजिनरी विलेज का हमने सामने रखा हुआ है. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल. ओके, इट इज नॉट अ सिमिलर पालम विच इज देयर नियर टू द इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. इंदिरा गांधी IGI एयरपोर्ट जहां पर है, वहां पे जो नियरेस्ट विलेज है उसका नाम भी पालम है. यहाँ पर पालमपुर है. ठीक है, दिस बेसिक डिफरेंस यू मस्ट बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Okay, in this village, in this hypothetical village which is given in your book, what is there? Farming is the main activity. First, Palampur is a which type of village? Hypothetical village which is given as an example in your book. Okay, and secondary, farming is a main activity which is practiced by the maximum people, those who are staying in this village. Let's move on. Palampur is a well connected with the neighboring villages and town. Well connected. This highlighted word is very much important. This village is not an isolated village or a remote village or not very far-flung village. It is well connected village. Okay, connectivity. Here is a word and a terminology you must understand. Okay, in progressive economy or any developing economy, connectivity or connection is very much important. We are connected with the internet. Okay, now I am teaching with the online. Internet is a connection. Okay, we are connected. Okay, even in a lockdown, I am there with you. Okay, with the help of technology. Okay, that connection is there. Palampur is also well connected with the neighboring villages. How it is connected? Let's see. Okay, Raiganj is a big village which is very nearest village. It is a 3 km from Palampur. How much? How many kilometers? 3 km. Okay, and all-weather road connects the village to the Raiganj and further on the nearest small town Shahapur. Okay, the nearest town is Shahapur. Nearest village is Raiganj, and this Palampur is connected with Raiganj and further it is connected with a town. Okay, by all-weather road. The terminology all-weather road. There are different types of road. Okay, highways, expressways, national highways, state highways. Okay, normal roads. Okay, coal-tar roads, full metalled road. Okay, develop a cemented road. All-weather road either may be a cemented road or a coal-tar road, known as metalled road. Okay, all-weather road. Such kind of initiative started in India under the regime of NDA government first in 2001 by then Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee के समय से ये स्टार्ट किया एक इनिशिएटिव, उसको बोलते हैं प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना. Okay, from 2001 the deliberate effort is done by Government of India to connect village to village. Okay, to connect various kind of villages. Okay, now we find today 99% of the villages throughout the India is well connected with nearest town or a nearest district or nearest big village. Okay, connectivity is a paramount. Okay, for any development. Without connectivity, we are totally in a dark age. We will be totally unable to understand what exactly happening in another world. Okay, we are unable to communicate to other people. Our progress, economic progress, हमारा जो economic progress है, okay, और technological progress है, वो connectivity के ऊपर ही depend है. Educational progress. Okay, let's see पालमपुर कैसा है, हम देखते हैं आगे. देखो यहाँ पर एक पिक्चर में दिखाया हुआ, ये वेल मेटलेड रोड है. ठीक है, इट इज अ बाई लेन रोड, 2 लेन रोड है. ठीक है, इट इज पासिंग थ्रू हिली टेरेन. विलेज का टेरेन दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. वेल डेवलप. ओके, ऑल वेदर रोड है. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल है. हियर इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल. इट इज अ डायरेक्ट पिक्चर टेकन फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाईवेज विच इज कनेक्टिंग टू मैक्सिमम villages. Okay, now it is a 90 feet road. Okay, it is a 90 feet road. Okay, but here we find it is not a bi-lane road, it is a single lane road, where we find a heavy vehicle passing through this side and again coming to this side. Okay, 2 vehicles cannot pass at one time, so that the heavy vehicle has to come down on either side. So this non-metalled part of this road is left behind, and we find a green lush trees which is planted by the government of India by both the sides. Okay, that is a unique feature. Okay, which was started from 2001. Okay, let's move on. Right, here it is a picture of agriculture produce marketing committees. Okay, on our right side, it is a right side picture. Okay, here we find a long trail of trucks, tractors, tempos, which is fully filled up with the agriculture produce. Okay, where we find vegetables, okay, onion, potatoes, and various kinds of fruits are lined up here. Okay, and in this picture on my left side, okay, here we find, okay, in this picture we find the people standing with the carrots full of tomatoes. Okay, who are these people? These are the farmers, those who grown such kind of products on their farms, and these are the perishable products. So we required a all-weather connectivity to take our produce to the nearest market. Okay, that is why the connectivity is a paramount. And what is there in a Palampur? Palampur is a well connected village with nearest big village as well as nearest town, so that whatever the farmers of the Palampur producing, it is easy for them to transport their produce to nearest market. Okay, so that the trader can purchase there. Okay, Government of India created one platform known as a eNAM platform, that is a Electronic National Agriculture Market. Okay, under that platform, any farmer can sell his produce from his farm by logging online portal, and any trader can purchase from the registered persons. Okay, such a kind of initiative is very much appreciated throughout the length and breadth of India. 18 states are already joined in this initiative, and more farmers and traders taking benefit from it. That is a direct dealing. Okay, there is no commission based middlemen available. Okay, let's move on. आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. This Palampur village has 450 families belonging to the several different castes. India is a very big country, and our traditional system, what we find, India is divided into various castes. Okay, this is a social state of India. Okay, where we find caste is not only divided on the basis of their religious and status purpose, but they are also divided on economic level. Okay, especially we find lower caste people having a lower economic status, and higher caste people having a higher economic status. More and more higher caste people having a ownership of assets, especially land. Okay, and having a well developed housing system. Okay, let's see, move on. The similar kind of situation is there in Palampur. Okay, where the 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. Upper caste people are the main owner of the land, especially agriculture land, non-agriculture land also. And other than upper caste people, those who are in the lower caste, okay, or SCs or STs, they are specially working on their farms. Okay, so these people having a lower economic status. The lower economic status means their status is directly reflected into their lifestyle. Okay, living style. So these people obviously living in a poor condition. Their houses, some of them are quite large and made up of brick and cement plastering. The houses of the upper caste people is made up of brick and cement. Okay, whereas the SC/STs and especially Dalit comprise 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village. They are live at the one corner of the village. They are not. See, this line gives us a very big information. Still, after the 70 years of independence, our society is divided on the line of caste. Okay, so that there are the ghettos created in the villages, the people living in a groups, upper caste living in a separate group, lower caste living in a separate group. Okay, here from this line we can judge this, that these people living in one corner of a village in a much smaller houses, some of them which are made up of mud and straw. Okay, so lower economic status, so that their living standard is also low. Okay, here it is a example of a house which is made up of bricks and cement. Okay, as it is said in a Palampur, this house specially belongs to the upper caste families. Here is another house. Okay, where we find in the villages, this is a well prepared and well built houses. Okay, and here is another example. In this picture you find a house which is made up of temporary roof of grass and walls are made up of mud. Okay, here also you can observe very well in this house also. Okay, sorry, please have a look. There are the cracks. These cracks are because of this wall is made up of mud. Okay, there is no pakka housing system. Okay, not a permanent housing system. Here also we find a rooftops. Okay, especially poor families in the villages living in this kind of condition. Okay, Most of the houses have an electric connection. Electric connections are available in all the villages. Government of India completed this target on December 2018. Okay, total electrification of India. Okay, December 2018, this target is completed by the government of India. Although the electricity may not be available to all the household, okay, but the electricity is provided to every village. Okay, it depends on the economic status of the people whether they can afford the electricity or not afford the electricity. Okay, but the basic minimum light connection is provided to every house. Okay, the special villages, though the villages which are situated on माउंटेन टॉप्स, ऐसे विलेजेस जो काफी दूर है, दूर दराज इलाकों में है, ऐसे विलेजेस के लिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक सोलार सिस्टम, इंडिपेंडेंट सोलार सिस्टम बना के दिया. ओके, दैट सोलार पावर प्लांट कैन प्रोवाइड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, स्पेशल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी during the night time to villages. Okay, in Palampur most of the houses having electricity connection. Electricity power that tube wells in a field and is used in various types of small businesses. Electricity is paramount. कोई भी चीज करना है तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बहुत जरूरत है. ठीक है. Now I am just giving this lecture online, so my devices are must be empowered with electricity. And on the other hand, when you are watching this lecture, that your devices also must be empowered with electricity. When you are studying, electricity is much more important. As a similar way, if there is a need in a farms to water total farm with the help of tube well, we required electricity. Okay. Now, Palampur has two primary schools and one high school. See, Palampur is a village which is well connected, also having a primary school and high school. Okay, this is a symbol of a developed village. Okay, there is a primary health care center run by the government and one private dispensary where the sick are treated. Now, here is a photograph of basic primary school infrastructure, where you find at least this much of infrastructure is available in every village. Okay, this is a symbol which may not be similar to your school, but such kind of schools are there, primary schools. And here it is a picture of higher secondary school. Okay, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, this is a primary health care center, प्राथमिक स्वास्थ्य केंद्र लिखा हुआ है. देखो, विलेज का नेम है हल्दीबाड़ी एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेम इज देवरिया. इट इज फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़, 6 करके लिखा है, देखो छत्तीसगढ़ का. ठीक है. एंड हियर इज अनदर प्राइमरी सेंटर. Okay, that is a government primary health care center from South India. These are the visuals and these are the examples of the primary health care center services provided by the government of India to the villages. Okay, in central government provide these services in union territories. Okay, and others in normal states. Okay, the healthcare facility is provided by the state government. Okay, central government provide healthcare facility in union territories. Okay, and the union territory which are administered by central government. Okay, not the state like Delhi. Okay, and normal states, that is 28 states, they are providing healthcare facility by the state government. Okay, let's move on. Here it is an example how the doctors are treating their village people. Okay, very passionately. And here it is a team of a primary health care सेंटर. ओके, हियर इट इज अनदर पिक्चर. यहाँ पर एक अलग सा पिक्चर है, आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. हियर यू फाइंड अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ लेडी सिटिंग इन हर हाउस. हाउस इज ऑल्सो अ स्मॉलर हाउस एंड शी इज कुकिंग फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वुड. ओके, वुड इज यूज फॉर कुकिंग फूड, स्पेशली एज अ कुकिंग फ्यूल. And here it is a symbol of light. Light is already reached into the houses. Here it is another picture where the lady is switching on the light. Okay, she is switching on light. The minimum infrastructure which is provided by the government of India, that is a 4 LED light and 1 fan connection to every household, whether they are affording it or not affording it. The minimum infrastructure, either at least light is provided by the government of India to every household in villages. Okay. Now, here it is a infrastructure. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, इट इज अ बिग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नोन एज अ पावर टावर्स which are useful to transmit power. And here it is another in photograph which is very inspiring to the all the students. ये सारे स्टूडेंट के लिए इंस्पायरिंग है, देख सकते हो यहाँ पर कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 स्टूडेंट्स आर शेयरिंग वन रूम. Basically they are not just sharing the room, they are sharing the light. Okay, light is available and these all girls, okay, all these students are passionately reading. Okay, now this is a very inspiring example and you must learn from them. Okay, you have all the types of facility, you have everything else. Please respect the facility which are provided by your parents. आपके पेरेंट्स ने जो आपको फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड किया, इंटरनेट है, मोबाइल है, लाइट है 24 आवर्स, इवन सम स्टूडेंट मे बी हैविंग एसीज. Look at these students. These students are very passionate for their studies. Okay, because earlier there was no light. Now the light is available in their village, and that too only in some houses are ready to affordable that houses. Okay, affordable that light, and that's why this light is shared by these all students. Okay, let's move on. Next, the description above shows that the Palampur has a fairly well developed system of roads. क्या है पालमपुर का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन सुन के हमें क्या पता चलता है, वहाँ पर रोड अच्छे से डेवलप है, ट्रांसपोर्ट अच्छे से डेवलप है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अवेलेबल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है तो वहाँ पे इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी है, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी तो इफ इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल मीन्स एग्रीकल्चर इज वेल डेवलप. ओके, schools are there. Okay, primary school is there, higher secondary school is there, also healthcare center is also there. Okay, in healthcare center what we observe that there is one private practitioner. If the private practitioner is there, what it indicates? People of the Palampur economically well settled, well established, so they can afford to even pay the fees to the private doctor. That's why the private doctor is available in the Palampur. Okay, we must learn to draw inferences from the sentence. Okay, discover the information which is behind the line. Okay, let's hope आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. अगर प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिशनर अगर किसी विलेज में है तो उसका बिजनेस चल रहा है या फिर उसकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से हो रही है, वहाँ पर लोग अच्छे से आ रहे हैं, उसको फीस दे रहे हैं, तभी वो वहाँ पर है. ठीक है, एक डॉक्टर लोग फीस के क्यों दे पा रहे हैं? बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग अ गुड इनकम. ओके, their economic status is at least a balanced economic status so that they can afford having a treatment from a private doctor. Okay, गवर्नमेंट हेल्थ केयर सेंटर में तो फ्री में ट्रीटमेंट होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन प्राइवेट डॉक्टर तो फीस लेगा ना, तो फीस देने का आपके पास अगर मनी है तभी आप फीस दे पाओगे. ओके, इट इज जस्ट एज सिंपल एज इट इज. ओके, कंपेयर दिस फैसिलिटीज विद दोज टू नियर बाई विलेज. आप अगर कभी विलेज में विजिट किए हो, ओके, have you visited any villages or your native villages? Please compare the facilities. Always have an observative eye wherever you are just visiting. Okay, let's move on. Okay, in village across the India, farming is the main production activity. पूरे इंडिया में मैक्सिमम विलेजेस में क्या है? फार्मिंग इज द मेन एक्टिविटी. द अदर प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज referred to as a non-farming activities include small manufacturing and transport, even a shopkeeping. ठीक है, other than the farming known as a non-farming activity. Farming is a primary activity, basic activity in all the village. Okay, when I was in the school, I was learning that almost 80% people practice farming as their primary business in India. Okay, now it is around the 52%. Okay, around the 52% people are practicing agriculture as their primary source of earning. Okay, other than the agriculture, people those who are doing activities, okay, manufacturing, smaller manufacturing, transporting, okay, shopkeeping, such kind of things known as non-agriculture farm activity. Now coming to the organization of production. Economy is specially based on production, consumption, distribution, or production, distribution and consumption. Okay, means of production depend on raw material and the availability of other factors. Then after the production we must have assessed the distribution. After the distribution we must go for consumption. The people can consume the production when they have an income. This is a cycle. Okay, this is an economic cycle. Let's understand what are the basic factors are there of production. The aim of a production is to produce the goods and services that we want. Okay, you are purchasing lots of things from the market. These all the things are produced, okay, as a goods, either in a factory or a smaller cottage industry. Okay, you are getting services. You are attending school. Education is a service. Okay, you are visiting doctor or a lawyer. Okay, or you are asking help from a technician. These all comes under the services. Okay, there are 4 requirements of the production of a goods and services. What are the 4 major requirements of a production? First, that is a land. Second is a labor. Third is a capital. Fourth is a knowledge and enterprise. Okay, without land you cannot do anything. Okay, land is a primary. Okay, whether you are running bigger business or smaller business, whether you want to open a smaller hut shop or a big plaza, it required a land. Okay, after land you required a men, those who are working on this your project, or may they are ready to work in your factory. आपके फैक्ट्री में काम करने के लिए वो रेडी है, ठीक है। ऐसे कुशल कामगारों की आपको जरूरत होगी। लेबर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 टाइप्स। ओके, नॉन स्किल्ड लेबर, सेमी स्किल्ड लेबर, हाई स्किल्ड लेबर एंड सुपर स्पेशलिटी लेबर। लेबर और 4 डिवीजन में डिवाइड होते हैं। नाउ यू आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड कैपिटल। कैपिटल फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 क्लासेस। ओके, फिक्स्ड कैपिटल एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल। नॉलेज एंड एंटरप्राइजेस नोन एज अ ह्यूमन कैपिटल। ओके, लेट्स सी इट। आगे देखते हैं। द फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट इज अ लैंड। पहला रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? लैंड। बिना जमीन के आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। जमीन के ऊपर मैक्सिमम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है, सच एज वाटर, फॉरेस्ट एंड मिनरल। ओके, टू स्टार्ट एनी इंडस्ट्री, टू स्टार्ट एनी प्रोडक्शन, यू रिक्वायर्ड लैंड। ओके, second requirement is a labor, that is a people who do work for you. Here it is a picture, people line up for their entry into the factory. देख सकते हो आप लेबर्स कैसे खड़े हैं, ठीक है। there are different types of different classes of labor. Okay, here you find people working in a real estate industry. On this picture here the people working in a software industry or a mobile company. Okay, they are more technically sound in compare of these people. Okay, here is another picture where in this picture here the people are working on lathe machines, especially highly technologically developed company. Okay, here we find interns are taking training in industrial training institute. Okay, and in this picture it is a unique picture where we find ladies are working in, they are repairing rail coach especially. Okay, here you find rail coach, rail factory, and how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this picture we are observing 3 ladies are there. How many ladies are there? 3 ladies. Okay, even girls working and taking this profession. Okay, these all people have already completed their 10th, 12th, and later on they have taken specialized education either in engineering, they might be a mechanical engineer or electronic engineer, instrumental engineer or a software engineer. Okay, some people may not be completed their engineer degree, but they may be completed their diploma degree or may be completed their ITIA. As per their requirement, industry provided them a job. Okay, you must gain a knowledge. Okay, and you must have ability to apply your knowledge. On that basis you can work in industry. Okay, the labor is one of the most important factor in industry. लेबर बहुत ही ज़्यादा important factor है, ठीक है ना, कि जितना कुशल कारीगर होगा उतना ही अच्छा प्रोडक्शन होगा, ठीक है। The third requirement is a physical capital. The variety inputs are required at the every stage during the production. अलग अलग स्टेजेस है प्रोडक्शन के, ठीक है। प्रोसेसिंग, फिनिशिंग, ओके, देन पैकेजिंग, these are the 3 मेन स्टेजेस ऑफ अ प्रोडक्शन। ओके, तो सारे प्रोडक्शन स्टेजेस में हमें अलग अलग रिसोर्सेज की जरूरत पड़ती है। व्हाट आर द आइटम्स दैट कम्स अंडर द फिजिकल कैपिटल? फिजिकल कैपिटल के अंडर क्या आता है? लैंड आती है, ठीक है, रॉ मटेरियल आता है, बिग मशीनरीज आती है। लेट्स सी, here is an example of tools are coming under the physical capital. We require tools, we require big machineries to process the raw material and convert into the finished good. फिनिश गुड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें चाहिए, उस मशीन पे काम करने के लिए हमारे पास स्पेशलाइज्ड टूल्स चाहिए। ओके, हियर इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ अ कार प्लांट। इस कार प्लांट में देख सकते हैं कितनी बड़ी बड़ी मशीनरीज है। ओके, दिस मशीनरीज नोन एज अ कैपिटल मशीनरीज, बिग मशीनरीज। ओके, हियर इट इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ ए स्मॉलर प्लांट का आपको दिखाई दे रहा है एग्जांपल. ओके, हियर also we required a big machineries. Okay, line in plant, these all machineries coming under the fixed capital. After land we must have a labor, and labor will work on what? They required a big machineries. The machineries will work with the help of electricity. Okay, some machineries work with the help of water. Okay, these are the basic requirement to start any industry. Okay, and we obviously we required a shop floor. एक space चाहिए, हमें जगह चाहिए, well established, well managed. Okay, tools, machines, buildings, tools and machines range from various simple tools such as a farmer's plug, sophisticated machines such as a generator, turbines and computers. Okay, tool, machines, buildings can be used in a production over many years and are called fixed capital. ठीक है, ये जो नॉन मूवेबल है, ठीक है, काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें, specifically these are one of the most important thing in the production. Without those things we cannot start an industry. Without land you cannot have a setup. Okay, without labors you cannot work. Okay, without tools and machinery on which labors will start working. Without tools and without machinery they cannot work. You require a raw material also. Without raw material you cannot process. Okay, these are the things which are fixed capital, which must be arranged before starting any kind of business. Most of the business person or most of the shopkeeper arrange this. Okay, let's move on. Raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. Raw material और money in hand को क्या बोलते हैं? Working capital. अभी working capital क्या है? Working means continuously going on. Okay, so if you wanted to run a business continuously 24/7 and 12 months a year, okay, continuously आप चाहते हैं कि आपका business continue चलता रहे, you require a working capital. Okay, suppose you are a owner of one company, the company which is manufacturing sugar. Okay, manufacturing what? Sugar, simple. So you require a raw material, that is a sugar cane. You require a people working on your machinery, especially in your sugar making plant. Okay, later on you require a people, those who arrange sales, transport the sugar in a market. Okay, so everything you arrange. Initially you purchase a land, you purchase machineries, later on you arrange people, labors, sophisticated labor, those are working on your machineries in the production of sugar. Later on you purchase raw material, you produce sugar, and after labeling and taking a license you transported that sugar in a market. Okay, but in market a seller will say that let's first I have to test whether your produce or your sugar is able to sell in this market or not. Okay, I will not do a payment instantly. I will take certain 5 or 10 days. Okay, in this 5 or 10 days you have to sustain a production. आपको प्रोडक्शन कंटिन्यू रखना है. ठीक है, आपको लेबर को चार्जेस देना होगा. ठीक है, रॉ मटेरियल परचेस करना होगा फार्मर से, शुगर केन. ओके, कंटिन्यूसली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भरना होगा. ओके, लैंड चार्जेस देने होंगे, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्जेस देने होंगे. तो ये सारे चार्जेस आपको बियर करने होंगे. ओके, योर लेबर विल नॉट लिसन ना, कि आपके पास मार्केट से पेमेंट नहीं आया इसलिए आप जो है उनको पेमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे. ये तो वो नहीं सुनेंगे. अगर ऐसा बोलने लग जाएंगे तो आपकी कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी, शुगर मेकिंग कंपनी. तो आपको कंटिन्यू रखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको एक वर्किंग कैपिटल की जरूरत है. यही मेन फेस होता है किसी भी इंडस्ट्री को सक्सेस या फिर फेल होने का. ठीक है, every industry which is successful having a sound base of working capital. किसी भी कंट्री को सक्सेस होने के पीछे उसका वर्किंग कैपिटल बहुत साउंड होता है. ठीक है, उसी के बुनियाद पर ये लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो वर्किंग कैपिटल होना मतलब कि उतना दिन सस्टेन करना चाहिए. ओके, द टाइम पीरियड विच इज बिटवीन द पेमेंट कमिंग एंड फर्दर सस्टेनिंग प्रोडक्शन, ये दोनों चीज़ करने के लिए वर्किंग कैपिटल की जरूरत पड़ती है. इसी चीज़ के लिए जो बिजनेसमैन है लोन लेते हैं बैंक से. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया गिवन अ 5 लाख करोड़ ऑफ पैकेज ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन एज अ वर्किंग कैपिटल to sustenance of this all types of industry. Okay, government of India also having a scheme known as a Mudra scheme for the small and medium size of business persons. Okay, to sustain their production. Let's move on. Here it is a photograph. इस photograph में आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री का रॉ मटेरियल है. ठीक है, हियर यू फाइंड स्टील प्लांट में रॉ मटेरियल मिनरल्स का जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड एज यू नो शुगर केन इंडस्ट्री, ओके, दैट इज द शुगर इंडस्ट्री एंड दिस इज शुगर केन, these are the raw material. Okay, you will need a knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together the land, labor and physical. देखो आपके पास बहुत पैसा है, आपने लैंड खरीद लिया, मशीनरी खरीद लिया, आदमी भी आ गए, बट यू रिक्वायर्ड नॉलेज. आपके पास बेसिक प्लान होना चाहिए, वो नॉलेज होना चाहिए. दैट्स वाई एजुकेशन इज मच मोर रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, आपको वो सारी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी आनी चाहिए. तो मैनेज कब करोगे? जब आपके पास वो नॉलेज होगा, वो जिस्ट होगा, काम करने के लिए इच्छा शक्ति होगी. एंटरप्राइज का मतलब क्या होता है? ओके, यू रेडी टू वर्क डे एंड नाइट. वो आपके पास जुनून होना चाहिए, तभी आप अच्छे बिजनेसमैन बन सकते हैं या फिर अच्छे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट बन सकते हैं. ओके, सो यू अरेंज ऑल लैंड, लेबर एंड फिजिकल कैपिटल एंड प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट आइदर टू योर सेल्फ और सेल इन अ मार्केट. खुद प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो या फिर मार्केट के लिए सेलिंग के लिए कर रहे हो. लेकिन दोनों चीज मैनेज करने के लिए, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अरेंजिंग रॉ मटेरियल, अरेंजिंग लेबर एंड सस्टेनिंग प्रोडक्शन टू द सेलिंग इन अ मार्केट, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू मैनेज. जो बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज होती है मैनेजर रखते हैं, प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर, रॉ मटेरियल परचेस मैनेजर, देन मैनेजिंग लेबर दैट इज नोन एज HR मैनेजर, देन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मैनेजर, देन सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड मैनेजिंग सिस्टम. ठीक है, ये सारे चीज में बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां मैनेजर रखती है. तो मैनेजर कौन बनते हैं? हु आर डेप्यूटेड ऑन अ मैनेजर पोस्ट? द स्टूडेंट दोज हु कंप्लीटेड देयर डिग्रीज फ्रॉम IIM, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज. ओके, ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. दिस डेज इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमन कैपिटल. ठीक है, आजकल इसको क्या बोला जाता है? ह्यूमन कैपिटल बोला जाता है. आप क्या हो? ह्यूमन कैपिटल हो. आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, आपको अच्छा एजुकेशन दिया जा रहा है, आपके पास ये नॉलेज आ रहा है, तो आप अगर ये नॉलेज अप्लाई करने के लायक बन जाते हो, इफ यू आर एबल टू अप्लाई योर नॉलेज, यू बिकम अ जेम्स. आप स्टार बन जाओगे अगर आप में वो खूबी आ जाएगी कि अपना नॉलेज कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कैसे ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करनी है. स्पून फीडिंग नहीं चाहिए, इसके लिए आपको अपने दिमाग को दौड़ाना होगा. ठीक है, तो और अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू टेक रिस्क. ओके, देन ओनली यू विल बिकम अ स्टार ह्यूमन कैपिटल. Let's move on. Every production is organized by the combination of land, labor, physical capital and human capital. किसी भी चीज के प्रोडक्शन में ये चीजें बहुत पैरामाउंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन सी? लैंड, लेबर, फिजिकल कैपिटल एंड ह्यूमन कैपिटल. ओके, अगर लैंड, लेबर है, ह्यूमन कैपिटल सही ढंग से नहीं है, तो प्रोडक्शन फेल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसमें से कोई भी एक फैक्टर अगर मिसिंग होगा तो आपका लॉस होगा, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट का लॉस होगा. ठीक है, दीज आर द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, इसलिए मैंने इसको अच्छे से हाईलाइट कर रखा है. ठीक है ना. दिस इज अ पोर्शन ऑफ 5 मार्क्स. ओके, ये 5 मार्क का पोर्शन है. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए. ओके, फाइनल एग्जाम्स के लिए आ सकता है. ठीक है, इसी के साथ मैं इस सेशन को एंड करना चाहता हूँ. आपके लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन लाया हूँ, आप इस सेशन को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़िए, साथ में बुक को भी पढ़िए. ठीक है, यू मस्ट रीड योर बुक ऑल्सो. हियर इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर 1 मार्क. व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन? प्रोडक्शन के फैक्टर क्या है? व्हाट इज अ फिक्स कैपिटल? व्हाट इज अ वर्किंग कैपिटल? फिक्स कैपिटल क्या है? और गिव 1 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ फिक्स कैपिटल, वो भी 1 मार्क का हो सकता है. गिव 1 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ वर्किंग कैपिटल, डेफिनेशन भी हो सकता है. ओके, you must learn how examiner making questions. एग्जामिनर कैसे क्वेश्चन बनाता है, ये आपको आना चाहिए. Describe the factors of the production with a suitable example. 5 mark. List out 3 reasons behind the development of village पालमपुर. ओके, सॉरी है, यहाँ पर पालमपुर है, मैं पू करके लिखा है, सॉरी. दिस इज अ पालमपुर. ओके, पालमपुर. These are the very important questions from this section. ओके, इसी के साथ मैं मिला लेता हूँ. ठीक है, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. ये वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत थैंक्स. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है इनिशिएटिव, ठीक है, तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसको शेयर करो, लाइक करो. ठीक है, और नॉलेज को बांटो. ओके, ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नॉलेज. जितना आप नॉलेज को दोगे उतना ही आप ग्रो करोगे. ठीक है, गिविंग इज अ ग्रोइंग. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप ग्रोइंग. बी कूल एंड सक्सेसफुल. ठीक है, यही आज का मंत्र है. ठीक है, सदा हंसते रहिए, खेलते रहिए, घर में रहिए, सेफ रहिए. कोरोना बाहर घूम रहा है. ठीक है, आपको पढ़ते रहना है. यू आर द प्रीशियस ह्यूमन कैपिटल ऑफ दिस कंट्री. पूरा देश आपके ऊपर ही निर्भर है. ठीक है, बने रहिए मेरे साथ. मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में. ठीक है, जय हिंद, जय भारत.